morning, children. Today we are going to learn word problem of subtraction. First, we will know about the words of the subtraction. Where are in these questions left, take away, difference, and less. We will do like these questions subtraction. So we will take first question. First question is Hari had 89 marbles in a bag. Hari had 89 marbles in a bag. He gave 56 marbles to Cream. He gave 56 marbles to Cream. How many is left with him? How many marbles are left with him? Now listen again this question. Hari had 89 marbles in a bag and he gave to Cream 56 marbles. How many marbles are left in his bag? How to make the word problems? So, how to make statement of the word problem? So, first question is number of marbles. Number of marbles. How many marbles in his bag? 89. Gave to Cream. Number of marbles gave to Kareem. So how many? 56. Left. In this question there is left. So what we will do? We will do subtract. I have told to you words of the subtract. Less, left, difference, take away. So we will do subtract like this questions. So number of marbles left. We will put sign of minus and subtract 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 5 is also 3. How many marbles had? How many marbles have in his bag? 33 marbles. So we will write 33 marbles are left in his bag. Question 2 is question 2. In a basket of 99 apples, it means एक basket में कितनी apples हैं? 99 and mangoes are 32 were apples. Apples and mangoes are in the basket 39 and there are mangoes and apples in one basket. How many? 99. So only apples are in this basket 34. How many mangoes were there in the fruit basket? Listen this question properly. There are one basket. In this basket, mangoes and apples both are mixed in this basket 99. And only apples are there 34 in this basket. So how many mangoes are left in the basket? So first we will make the word statement of this question. Number of apples and mangoes are 99. So number of apples. How many number of apples? 54. Now, how many mangoes are left? Mangoes are left equal to left. So we will put again sign of minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 45 mangoes are left in the fruit basket. So there is apples and mangoes is both are mixed. 99 fruits in the basket. Number of apples, only apples are there 54. So mangoes are left 99 because these are the total fruit, and minus 54, 45 is the mangoes is in this basket. Now next question is question 3. Seema has to climb 67 stairs. Total number of stairs are here 67 to her house. And Sita has to climb 28 stairs in her house. Who climb more stairs and how many more? Again, listen this question. Seema has climbed to 67 stairs of her house, and Sita has to climb 28 stairs. Seema stairs 67 stairs. Seema has to climb 28 stairs. So there is asking in this question, who climb more stairs? We know who climb? Seema. Seema has climbed more stairs and how many more? मतलब कितने सीमा को किसने ज़्यादा स्टेयर्स क्लाइंब की चढ़ी? तो ये तो पता है हमें 67 किसने की? सीमा ने. सीमा क्लाइंब टू मोर स्टेयर्स एंड सीता 28 सीता ने कम की. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? उसने पूछा कि किसने ज़्यादा की, ये तो पता है ये सीमा ने की, और कितनी ज्यादा की ये हम अभी सॉल्यूशन करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन 3. क्वेश्चन 3 is Seema climb stairs equal to 67. We can write here one sentence places also. Sita climb stairs. How many? 28. So now who is climbed to more stairs? So Seema. Seema climb more stairs. So how to this question? So we will put the subtraction. 7 is less than 8, so we can't subtract 8 from 7. We will take to borrow from tens, and 5 is left here. 17 minus 8 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 39. We can say Seema climbed more stairs, but how many stairs? 39 more stairs Seema climbed. I hope students you have understand, and now do practice at home this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day, students.